Hello everyone, it's Josh at the Classic Competition Company, and as you can see we are raffling off this beautiful GT750. Come have a look. I'm going to start it for you. Really beautiful bike and looks fantastic. In the Cotswolds. Let me give you a tour. You can see it's in fantastic condition, just been fully restored, so there's only 20 miles has been covered since the rebuild. New crank, pistons, seals, everything you can think of has been done to the engine. Frame powder coated. A really stunning piece of work. Polished engine. So it's on the website now, and today's date is May the 17th. Tickets are $2.99. Plenty of time on this draw, so it's about 4 weeks on this one, 5 weeks. You can see it looks stunning with the horses in the background in the lovely Cotswolds. Very lucky to live around here. If it has already been drawn whilst you're watching this video, still check the website out because we've got lots of stunning bikes like this on there. Lots of lovely Japanese two-strokes, lots of nice British bikes, and we also tried to get lovely cafe racers on there as well. But congratulations to the person who does win this, because it is an awesome machine. Will need running in because, like I said, it has all been rebuilt, so you need to put a good 500 miles on the clock before you start ragging it around. There we are. So that's it for the GT750L. Good luck to everyone who enters, and we'll see you again. Thank you. Bye bye.